Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, sorry, the light the light is coming right in through my window, so it's going to be like inconsistent lighting, but also like it feels like summer when it happens, so let's just let that be known. Today is my Boxyluxe unboxing for March. We're deep in the coronavirus right now here in New Jersey. Pretty much everything got canceled. I work for a theater company and my season's in danger, so that's stressful. But I got this and I'm so excited because there's just been like bad news after bad news after bad news after state of emergency after national emergency. Sometimes you could use a little bit of something. So let's just hop into this box. So it's like quite like large. It's usually like more pushed in, and it doesn't have a lot of like bubble wrap. It had these, which didn't really keep anything tight or compact and nice, but nothing broke. I just checked, so that's good. So this month's theme is pretty edgy, and I got a card, which you know how I feel about cards. So Boxycharm is a $25 beauty subscription service. It comes to your house monthly with 5 full-size products, and that is, I think, over $125 value for the base box. There are 2 upgrades to Boxycharm. One is Boxyluxe, which I'm unboxing now. It's an upgrade to the base box, and you get that quarterly. It comes with 8 to 9 products, and the value is over, I think, $200. And then there's Boxycharm Premium, which I had, but I canceled, and that is $35 a month. It comes with 7 products and the value is over $150. This month they had a Fenty takeover for Boxycharm Premium, and I thought about keeping it, but honestly, like, bills are really tight right now, so I thought if I could keep one box, I'd be happier with just the base and luxe, so that's what I did. So let's just jump into it. So I got to customize 2 items this time in Boxyluxe, and my first item is actually like earrings. So I got these earrings, which are $32 normally, because the sticker says so on the back. They're from Zaxi, Z-A-X-I-E, that's how you pronounce it, right? I don't know. I don't have any earrings on right now because my earrings broke. It's been a week of turmoil. So I'm actually going to put these in right now. And I really wanted hoops because I haven't had hoops in like ages that don't tug my ears. Oh my god, they're so cute. I haven't worn hoops in so long. Girl, I feel pretty fierce. Wow, I like these. Okay. Let me put the other one in. So these feel so nice. Wow. Oh my god. I'm wearing hoops again. This made me so happy. I was really nervous when I like picking these out because I was like, I don't really wear earrings, and I was afraid these would be heavy, but they're not, and they're super nice. So these retail for, like I said, $32. It says embellished with brilliant pave stones on both inside and outside channels. These sparkling pave hoops earrings shine in all directions. Have you ever played Animal Crossing? They have this thing called Pave Day. I'm gonna put a little picture of her up here. Anyway, Animal Crossing's coming out and I'm getting it, but when I say Pave anything, it makes me think of this Animal Crossing character. Just let that be known. So that's the first item in the box, and we're starting off real strong. Okay, the next item in the box is a Boxycharm item. This is an eyeshadow palette. They've been teasing this on their social. This retails for $39. It says this exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades, specifically made with our charmers in mind. Highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth texture for transition day to night look. They've collaborated on quite a few things in the past, and I haven't been a fan of the things they collaborate on, really. Like the Pure palette that they did, I thought was like not my favorite at all. This is what the inside of this looks like, which is actually really much prettier in person than I've been seeing online. This shade Full Size, I don't know if you can see, it has a really nice purple blue shift. You can't even catch it on the camera. It has this beautiful duochrome like violet and then blue, and this charmer shade next to it, this one, it is turquoise and it goes kind of almost lime green duochrome, and swipe up seems like it is a pressed glitter, which is like really cool. It's got some blue in that as well as some pink and some gold. It looks absolutely stunning. I really do enjoy the matte shades they gave us. There's just enough that I think you can make some really cool things with this palette, cool looks. So I'm excited to use this. This might be my palette next month, next 2 weeks to be using on my channel. And yeah, they have a bunch of like Boxycharm hashtags and tags, people that are groups, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is our second item in the box, and I hope that I am pleasantly surprised with the quality of this palette, but we will see. Okay, next item in the box I'm pumped for. So about 2 years ago, I had FabFitFun and I got this little Foreo in there, and I've been using it ever since and hasn't died on me yet, knock on wood. So when I saw we were getting this, I was super excited because I have been dying to try something new. I knew I love my Foreo, so I was like, this must be even more incredible. This is from PMD, and it's like a little silicone like face washer, but it has this side too, so I think you could do, I don't know. Anyway, it is a face washer, and it comes with batteries, which is great because I don't think I can change my Foreo's battery, which is why I'm like really nervous that it's gonna no longer work. So you put the battery in here and then you just like wash your face with it. It's waterproof, and oh, you can massage serums with one side and bristles to clean on the other. This retails for $99. $99. It says this PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our sonic glow technology not only ensures a deep clean, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. I'm very excited for this product. When I saw this was teased, I was like, oh yes. Alright, the next item in the box is from Becca. Okay, I'm really excited because when I saw spoilers, I really wanted this product. It's been in my wish list on Ulta forever. This is the Becca Glow Glaze Stick. It just looks like this, and it just looks like the most perfect, look at that. It's just like a gloss. And I don't wear much makeup. Like, this is what I wear to the office, and I feel like on the tops of my cheekbones, like this would be the perfect little like glaze. And maybe even for my headshots, because I'm getting new headshots soon. I wanted a little bit of glow. This might be it. I'm so excited that we got this that I got this in my box. I'm so excited. Okay, so this retails for $28. It says your post facial glow in a stick. The ultra sheer translucent highlighter that imparts a dewy glass-like sheen to skin. Enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex for healthier looking, more radiant skin. One universal shade creates a glass-like ethereal glow on all skin tones. This is so pretty. You can't really see it on camera, but in person, it's just the nicest little ethereal glow. They definitely have the right name for that. Pumped. Not one product am I disappointed about. Let's keep going. Okay, the next is from Nars. Now, Nars is a brand that I've always wanted to try, but they're not cruelty-free, and therefore I won't purchase from them if I can help it. So they have been on just the list of things that I've been dying to try and never tried. This is their Power Matte Lip Pigment, and I got mine in the shade Give It Up, which is this really nice berry tone. I don't have any lipstick on right now, so maybe I'll put it on. Hold on. I don't usually wear colors like this, so it's very out of my comfort zone, but I think in a really good way. Oh, wow, that is a color. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow, okay, it's coming off like really bright on camera. Like, this is really like a very bright abrasive color, but in person, it's a really nice color. Wow. I'm loving that. Perfect for summer. Perfect for summer. And this formula, it's super thin, but super opaque. Like, I never went back in for a second coat on anything, and not one part of my lips is sheer. It's all just so nicely covered. It's so pretty. Wow, I think I really like this color. Who would have known? Not me. Wow. Okay, so another one for me. That is awesome. Let's read what this says. It says, the Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment, Potency and Precision. The ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful, that's the fourth power I've seen in a sentence, most powerful matte yet fluid pigment complex liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel introduces an infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible long lasting wear. I definitely know it is matte, but it doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips. Almost like the Persona Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, which are incredible, my favorite formula. This feels really, 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 really nice. I'm so happy right now. It's been a really, really rough week at work, and this really just came at the right time. Alright, we have a few more products in the box. So the next is a little duo here from Sol de Janeiro. This is a Brazilian Bumbum cream, like a mini, and then a mini Coco Cabana cream. I have tried, I think we've gotten both of these in BoxyCharms before, and I think I had a problem with one of the scents. Let's see. Oh, it was this one. It smells like coconut buttered popcorn. Coconut caramel popcorn. The scents are really strong on these products. I remember that's the one thing that I had a problem with. I have a very sensitive nose, and scents in particular really irritate my head. Oh, but this one smells like heaven. Wow, why did I give this one away last time? I definitely am going to keep the Brazilian Bumbum cream. This smells amazing. And I'll probably keep this one too. I'll probably use them both. I always need like lotions and moisturizers for my dry skin. Cool. So this duo retails for $15. It says the duo of Sol de Janeiro's iconic body cream comes complete with the Brazilian Bumbum cream, which helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin with an addictive pistachio and salted caramel scent. Is that what I get from this? You know what? I get the pistachio, but I'm not smelling salted caramel at all, which I'm not mad about. I don't think I like salted caramel. Wow, that's a good smell. You go, Sol de Janeiro. And Coco Cabana cream provides 72 hours of hydration with a deliciously complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchid, and toasted praline. That's what I smell, though. I smell the toasted praline quite strongly in this. But cool, you know? Hey, we take moisture, you know, for us dry skin girls. The next product in the box is from Invisible Bobby, the Traceless Hair Ring. Do I have this on here? Yes, this retails for $8. It says the Invisible Bobby Original Traceless Hair Ring puts an end to all hair tying problems. Simple traceless avoids headaches and split ends. I'm gonna try one right now. This is just basically a try on because I tried on two of the things. This is so interesting. Let me try to put my hair up. Wow. That does feel really nice. Maybe I'll wear this to the gym. This is, wow, it really kind of keeps my hair in there. I've been transformed. Put it right next to my other one, and it's clear, which is so nice. Okay. That is a product I didn't think I was going to like, and look at me now. It's been a good ass box, and we have one more product left, and this one is the other one I customized. This is from Murad. This is the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. I always look for eye cream. My favorite one is from Bare Minerals. I've also tried one from Laneige, I'm looking over at it now, and one from Juice Beauty, and I don't really like the Juice Beauty one, and I'm not the biggest fan of the Laneige one. I don't think it does anything, but my friend Lydia keeps talking about how great Murad products are, so I figured if I could customize this. Wow, there's like no... There's like no product in here. I mean, like there is a lot of product, but like in comparison, it's quite nothing. All right, let me just stick this back on. It feels really nice. It feels really light, but definitely hydrating. I'm excited for this. I'm very excited for this. And my first Murad product ever. Let me just read you the literature and we'll finish up here. Oh, this is $70. It says, deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. $70. So that is everything I got in my BoxyCharm Luxe this month. Let me quickly find my phone and add up the totals. I can't get over how nice everything is. Thank you, BoxyCharm. I needed this. Okay, so the total for this month's box is $316 here, which is crazy because I paid $50 for this box. And I'm excited to use legitimately every single product in here. And it's funny because when I opened this just to make sure nothing had broken, I was like, okay, like at least I got the Becca product. But looking at everything, I'm gonna swatch one thing from this palette. I'm very curious about this one specific shade. Swipe up, oh, I don't know, let's see. It is like a pressed glitter. It is a pressed glitter. That is what this pressed glitter looks like. way more subtle than I thought it would be. Let me see if I can build this up. I'm gonna try patting it instead of swiping it. Yeah, wow, that's so pretty. So you see it's pink here, and then you see that like bluey shift. Incredible. I'm just gonna swatch. It's been a while, YouTube. I'll use another finger to swatch. I'm gonna swatch full size because that was the other one that, wow, these feel really, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, these feel so nice. Okay, so this is full size here. When you put it on your finger, it definitely turns into more of a navy. It is way more rich in the pan, but I feel like it has a black base to it, and that's why, but it still looks really pretty. Like you can see that nice shift over here, and in person the purple shift is super strong. I'm just gonna do one matte shade because that is really the test. Let's do premium. No, let's do Cup of Joe. Oh, I get it, because Joe's the owner of Boxycharm. Oh, the matte feels so good. The matte feels really nice. I'm excited. I'm fully excited. Okay, so that is everything I got in my Boxycharm this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to be more active, and I already am, because this is the second video to go up this week. Look at me now. If you got anything different in your Boxycharm, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to Boxycharm and you're interested, I will put my link down below. It's not like an affiliate link, but I think we both get a gift if you sign up with mine. So just putting that out there. Boxycharm is my favorite subscription service, and I'm just so happy that I got this box today. I'm so happy to be making videos again, and I'm gonna go take a break and play a video game in my wait for Animal Crossing. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.